Hello students, today we will discuss step-up conversion in organic chemistry. So first of all, we have to understand what are the step-up conversion. So as its name is showing that step up means when in any reaction the number of carbon in product are more than the number of carbon in reactant. Means we can say the number of carbon in reactant are less and the number of carbon in product are more. So in these all type of reaction are known as step up reaction. For example, if in any reaction CH3NH2 gets converted into CH3CH2NH2, so that conversion is known as step up conversion, because in this conversion in the reactant there are 1 carbon and in product there are 2 carbon. Another example, if methyl alcohol CH3OH gets converted into CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. So that is another example of step up conversion. Here in methyl alcohol 1 carbon and in ethyl alcohol there are 2 carbon. So when number of carbon in any reaction are increased, number of carbon in product are more than number of carbon in reactant, then that is called step up conversion. So for step up conversion, what we can how we can do that step up conversion? I am giving an example. For example, we have to convert CH3Cl into CH3CH2Cl, correct? So there is a linking reaction which we have to use. We have to convert CH3Cl into CH3Cn. That is the linking reaction. Means here is number of carbon is 1 carbon and here is number of carbon are 2 carbon. How we can proceed that conversion? By simply reacting CH3Cl with KCN. So whatever reagent we got, we have to convert it into alkyl halide, and that alkyl halide can convert into alkyl cyanide. That linking reaction is used in a number of step up reaction, like these type of step up reaction in which one compound of a particular family is converted into similar family another compound where number of carbon are more. I am doing this conversion, you can get the idea. CH3Cl first react with KCN, then it gets converted into CH3Cn. Now if we reduce it by reacting like LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride, so we will get CH3CH2NH2. If we react it with NaNO2 plus HCl, means nitrous acid, then we will get CH3CH2OH. Now what we can do? We can convert this OH group into Cl group. How we can do it? By reacting it with SOCl2 or PCl3, PCl5, any chlorinating agent. It will get converted into CH3CH2Cl. So we can say we have converted CH3Cl into CH3CH2Cl by this idea. I am giving you another example. In this example, I will convert CH3OH into CH3CH2OH. That is another example in which one number of carbon is increasing and both compound are of same family. So what was our idea? First of all, we have to convert it into alkyl halide. So CH3OH when react with SOCl2, it gets converted into alkyl halide CH3Cl. Now we can repeat our previous process like CH3Cl, that is a linking reaction, main reaction KCN, and we will get CH3Cn. Now we have to reduce it by reduction like LiAlH4. So we will get CH3, CH2, NH2. Now what we can do? We can use nitrous acid, means NaNO2 plus HCl. We will get CH3CH2OH. So we have converted CH3OH into CH3CH2OH. I am giving another example in which I will convert CH3NH2 into CH3CH2NH2. That is another example of step-up reaction in which one compound gets converted into another compound of same family. This compound have one number of carbon more than this compound. So first of all, we have to convert it into alkyl halide, but we know directly we can't convert amine into alkyl halide. So CH3NH2 first convert into alcohol. How we can convert into alcohol? So by reacting it with nitrous acid. So NaNO2 plus HCl. We will get CH3OH. Now what we can do? We can react it with SOCl2, PCl3, PCl5, any chlorinating agent, and we will get CH3Cl, means alkyl halide. Yes, now this alkyl halide we can get converted into cyanide by our main reaction, linking reaction, CH3Cn. Now we can repeat the previous process. How we can use reduction by LiAlH4, lithium aluminum hydride, and we will get CH3CH2NH2. So we got that product. So now this, by using this method, we can prepare a product of step up reaction of same family. Thank you.